Military, no, they operate a command system. And the 2-star, 3-star, 4-star general, and to me, me salute to or be under the command of a 1-star general. Now, President MAHAMA Baya or say, Chief of Defense Staff on to win in Yajuma, Chief of Army Staff on to win in Yajuma, Chief of Staff on to
President John Dramani Mahama. One with the partisan politics, Eddie and Akwakubi. Sa plane crash ya see. Ya the subwarning na ebebo. Alright, Abuja Fanya Mishra Bibia. Your friend in the Gopo artist. Aha, Ghana Asem TV. Yamishra Bibia. Abuja, President John Dramani Mahama should be blamed for the plane crash at SC 2 days ago. Abuja for in Semna Ebubo Balo. Minye sure say this plane crash issue a bit to make ICC. Alright, Abuja for Yanko share videos on Nembra. Nah, Ghana for they are making reference to their Honorable Rev Fordjour some time ago. Caution President John Dramani Mahama say Niamana all year no. Niamana President John Dramani Mahama all year. Edin Suswaso be Ghana. Abusia ene Ghana for air refresh on my memory back to timer January. President John Dramani Mahama yes why ina or pamu nkofo. Abusia yanko share video nimbra ya meshara bibia.
Military, no, they operate a command system. And the 2-star, 3-star, 4-star general, and to me, me salute to or be under the command of a 1-star general. Now, President MAHAMA Baya or say, Chief of Defense Staff on to win in Yajuma, Chief of Army Staff on to win in Yajuma, Chief of Staff on to win in Yajuma, Chief of Naval Staff on to win in Yajuma, Chief of Air Staff on to win in Yajuma, Commandant. Did that various commands Anunyi na Kofiana International Peacekeeping Center, GAFC, everywhere, and even 1 year, Minoka say UN appointed generals, major generals, were more commanded troops in many different countries. Because military attaches and Manoneni, I didn't know, put together about 15 generals. One more major general 2-star and lieutenant general 3-star and above, no. Also on to win obia anya dwuma on trust omumu bia say
I know you own a work.
Oh that's what it is. Enti no they are obetumi na ya dwuma a brigadier general
ono ye 1-star.
1-star and na one appointed no
as chief of
defense staff.
In the seniors who
automatically terminated. And that is how the military works.
Means?
That's how military works. And you know, in any country, when you a lower rank as the chief of defense staff, automatically the senior ranks one nimunyina. Obi akofi.
Is it a choice?
It is by your protocol.
Even if I choose some coffee, I don't mind. Me junior be command me cry, I don't mind.
You have no choice. You have no choice to say, and this will be a university vice chancellor.
Yes.
And like I say, we serve 2 terms as vice chancellor, as a professor, no.
Yes.
Term now you are going to teach in a faculty. Now, before Fraba vice president in that university, in the military, it doesn't work like that.
In all the seniors who are about 15, no,
they are all condemned, dismissed, terminated prematurely. Now the dangers are a woman. It is and Minoka say various barracks morale is down. Morale is dampened. And I'm telling you, they are sad. Morale is down. One, because what you have introduced political colors into the Ghana Armed Forces by this introduction. 15 of them. Sabi. How incompetent are they? How disloyal are they? They are no munye ya. Say move 4, 5 bimpo and antwini omunya juma. And 15 na kenyi na anso. Bone ben o why so pam omunya na echo. Now, even among the brigadier generals in the crown, the concerns that there are about over 25 brigadier generals are. One more raising concern say even the crop of brigadier generals are President Mahama apa womo aye womo heads in the crown. Ebinum po aye womo 4 years junior. Within the brigadier general rank, you know, what has happened is dangerous, and you know, and some between canin in our, and then, but let's look at the critical implications. Back when they say, Sir Generals, yeah, what pamu it signals politically motivated action, and now say a ye bibia a babe twashe muraso, and no crasumpa. It cost the nation a lot of money. Let me prove to you. The one facet of financial loss are buying and they say about 15 generals some of them no by rank and age they have about 4 to 6 years more to serve in the army in the Ghana Armed Forces. And so what pam and you know all kono say abano a pager a tamsika puduo calculate almost severance pay 15 of them. And yet back one am you know. And no actually no. The other cost the woman said, say be away pilot be vice marshal na commodore na bibi na sabri account all the investment are buying and their training costs quite a bit. Yeah, dear wumu a training wa a certain number of flying hours. Experience I went yanning in ano and kaka be 6 years. What they ba be sum or minor and yasa training in some fast one. I say other generals obiwa or your security expert in maybe a border, you know, litigations, obiwa artillery, obiwa how to weapon handling, various critical skills training. Yeah, they woman yeah ball a taxpayers money, yeah, they ball hunka and nunti ama. Your military no apeja and you abemwa you and full na respect here every time you want appointed Ghana general ekoye penny pa a command won troops no sa nsuehunu skills ni nyina ka or they ba be impact and mentor lower ranks for no ni nyina no ase enti sa ase no financial loss and now to be able to meet up with the skills gap. You're creative.
We have to make new investments.
I've done the initial estimation. Sikana, ye babe shre on severance pay. And then the babe training near Dinyan. Senka ye tam, Nanke diama a military force, a Monje Franco see accommodation, Emma. The men and women in uniform one. And ka entumie sikurano, be 200 accommodation units there. And ke betumie siama home. And no can motivate you man. But yeah, Kwako says because of somebody's egoistic decision. Say I am mean to many way may reset it. You see, we must be minded. Say about this.
Yeah, say I share video. No, see I am share. The Ghana for so eka. See the almost so mukan young bra. President John Dramani Mahama, one with the partisan politics. Eddie akwakuwi sa plane crash ya see ya de suboni na ebebo o winning elections how power now starting say pam top military generals Rev Fordjour Betnasi catch say president ya wo ye no ehu you need to stop it pam top generals pam squadron leaders pam pilots pamon penifon or what did that army nano amon kofi and I cover inexperienced ones at the buy. I learned say flying officer and I said pilot or two star flight no any free Accra or the call boasino or your commission last year November ya according to Ghana Armed Forces no and say pilot ultimately fly for more than 2 years. And that's how we have more flying hours. And sana, one person you can fly on your own. But and I say President Mahama, upon top generals, upon squadron leaders, upon pilots, or more army nimunutino. The army is forced to use inexperienced pilots. And I'm waiting penny for them.
South study avionics kakra. Helicopters use visibility and dinante. And this a big aircraft now. Omutumi use other radars dinante no. And no, and sana helicopter be moving no. They need to see ahead. It is so who say who ahead and say or drop it back from. And this will come more than 13,000 feet. And your mother who any more ya. So share na say baby or one a foggy na on to me nkwana anima. And so drop it back down. And your one no more area or who say plane back from no. And your pilot no. Because on who anim it also back from no who anim. And baby I know nam so no obuasi area hono no. A mountainous area. And essentially a forest. And the fog no air very thick. It is when you experienced pilot one more flying hours. Now for inexperienced one, he will be forced to calm down or better drop it down more. Send a better visibility when you know their movie plane forward. Now, and I'm so inexperienced pilot you know or drop it back down or who from so the Rev who say baby on nam no mountainous and forest. And you know, to my understanding, no, I think the blade back who echo bodria and then nose dive ebaya. It me didn't go rap from man plane ko shiwa. E jato no. It is a problem where I na free His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Upa power. Upamo ko for pamo directors of war jumum. E pamo and cry do ma military training and cry do ma police training, immigration training, mu pamo mu nyina do mu kofi. And I'm partisan party politics. I did the democracy or Ghana. It said necessary now ya pama necessary ya former Jumena. Ya for inexperienced pilots, flying officers. Omuni flying hours. Omuni experience. And omuni search and penning for and an President Mahama can't play a mubia. Yamefasa can't play a mubia and can walk because of poor decision. I'll take here. Winning elections because of that decision I'll take here. And can do influence them. Boko say top military generals now pamo and yet Momonka because of Mona a training way mo man training man we release you more every army minimum so Monkofi. So next time His Excellency John Dramani Mahama who take a decision and consulting penning for and start taking that decision. And yes sir, and the